8th class student exercise 1A question number 3 is verify. First part is 5/9 divide by 1/3 bracket close divide 5/2 equal 5/9 divide bracket 1/3 divide by 5/2 bracket close. At first solve the bracket, divide into, change into, multiply. 5/9 it is same, divide, change into 3/1 equal 5/9 divide 1/3 divide, change into 2/5. After do the multiply, 9 into 1 5 into 3 into 2/5 is equal to 5/9 divide, after multiply 2 1 जा 2 3 5 जा 15 3 जा 9 5/3 1 जा 3 into 2/5 equal 5/9 divide into multiply 15/2 multiply 5 into 2 upon 3 into 5 equal 5 into 15 9 into 2 5 divided by 5 3 3 जा 9 3 5 जा 15 2/3 not equal to 25/6 left hand side not equal to RHS. Given statement is false. First part is complete. Second part middle bracket -16 we write upon 1 divide 6/5 middle bracket is closed divide by -9/10 equal -16/1 and divide by middle bracket 6/5 divide by -9/10 middle bracket is closed. At first solve the middle bracket, -16/1 divide into change, multiply. 6/5 will be 5/6. Divide by 9/10 equal -16/1. Divide 6/5. Divide into change, multiply. -10/9. Do the multiply. -16 into 5 upon 1 into 6 in middle bracket, -10 9/10 equal -16/1. Divide, multiply 6 plus minus minus 6 into 10 upon 5 into 9. Middle bracket close. 2 3 जा 6, 2 8 जा. After multiply, -40 upon 3. Divide change into multiply. -10/9 will be after change. -16/1. Divide by 5 2 जा 10, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, -2 2 जा 4, 3 1 जा 3. Multiply by minus minus plus 40 into 10 upon 3 into 9. Change by divide, -16/1. Multiply -3/4. In middle bracket 400 after multiply. 9 3 जा 27. Minus minus plus 16 into 3, 1 into 4, 4 4 जा 16. -400 upon 27 not equal to 12/1. Left hand side not equal to right hand side. Given statement is false. Second part is complete. Third part is -3/5. In bracket -3/5 divide by -12/15. Divide 1/14 equal -3/5. Divide -12/15. Divide by -1/14. At first dissolve the bracket. -3/5 divide change into -15/12. Divide by 1/14 equal -3/5. Divide -12/15. multiply 14/1 multiply with 5 into 12 minus minus plus 3 into 15 divide 1/14 equal minus 3/5 divide minus 12 into 14 15 into 1 5 3 जा 15 and 3 4 जा 12 3/4 divide into change multiply 14/1 is equal to minus 3/5 divide 3 5 जा 15 3 4 जा 12 minus 14 4 जा 56/5 5 1 जा 5 do the multiply 3 into 14 and 4 into 1 equal minus 3/5 divide into change minus 5/56 2 2 जा 4 2 7 जा 21/2 equal minus minus plus 3 into 5 5 into 16 5 divided by 5 21/2 not equal to 3/16 LHS not equal to RHS given expression given statement is false. Question 3 is complete. Question number 4 and 5 equal. Second part 5 question. Question 5, the product of two rational number minus 16/9. One rational number is minus 4/3. You write the in bracket. Other will be product divided by one number. Minus 16/9 minus 4/3. Divide change into minus 16/9, it is same. Change minus 3/4. Multiply minus minus plus 16 into 3, 9 into 4. 4 4 जा 16, 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3 and 4 1 जा 4. Other rational number will be 4/3. Thank you.